Why, hello! It's been a while since we've met, or since I've talked to you, but this is where I'm at with this guy, but it's supposed to be a hat. I think it's gonna be too big. Actually, it's feeling good. I was gonna stop and just like take it apart. Oh, it'd actually be a cute kitty cat hat, or whatever that's called. Anyways, but so this is where I'm at with this hat, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. My stitches aren't like perfect, but they're pretty consistent, and I figured out how to do the ribbing, so that went well. And I'm obsessed with this yarn. It's so pretty. But I just went to Michael's today and got circular needles so I can start my raglan sweater. I think that name is really funny to say, raglan. And I'm going to do it with this yarn because I have two of these. So I'm going to start that today. I hope I got like the right needles. I got the recommended size, which is, I think it's a half size smaller than this. And I've been enjoying, don't fall off. I've been enjoying these needles for this, but I guess we'll see. When I crochet, I normally go half size down anyway, so maybe it'll be the same in knitting, we'll find out. Anyway, so I'm gonna start this today. My spiderweb dress is coming together. I've done the front and back of the like body section. So I've got this, and like I said, I'm doing the V neck or V back, I guess. So that's what it's looking like. Anyways, so this is where I'm at with my other projects. I've got this and this, and this and this, or this, and then this. Look how far I've gotten. All right, I'm just sitting here knitting. I'm like, wow, this stitch is so fun. Oh, this stitch is so fun. Like, I'm feeling that feeling again that I used to feel with crochet, where literally every single stitch was exciting, and it feels so good. And just like, it's about the journey, not the destination. It's about every single stitch you make, not about how fast you make the stitches. And I'm feeling it right now. I'm like, gosh, this is so much fun. I love this. I love just seeing every stitch like grow and move, like go from one side to the other, and like, I don't know, it's so cool. And I feel like I'm not used to working with this big of yarn, so it's working up way quicker than I'm used to, which is really nice. And I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, I just wanted to say that I'm feeling that like, I don't know, like when you have a crush for the first time and you're like, this is so exciting. And you have the butterflies, that's how I feel for knitting right now. And obviously I'm only this far, so we'll see how I feel when I finish a hat or finish a freaking sweater. But I don't know, I'm feeling good. I'm excited. Hello. Alrighty. So I had, I think, like cast on in 2 rows, and then I realized that my round was twisted, so I had to take it out. But now I'm starting over, and I'm at the waterfront, and it's so beautiful. So I'm not too upset, and it was only 2 rows, so that won't take long. But yeah, it's pretty much the same thing I've been doing. I'm not at the hard part yet, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm in Nashville right now for my friend's wedding. I'm very excited for it. And a bunch of my friends went in on a nice Airbnb, so we have a little balcony, and a hurricane is about to come through, but this is the calm before the storm, so I thought I'd get a little footage, I guess. That's what this is. But here is what the sweater's looking like right now. It's like, this is a fucking sweater. I'm amazed that I did this. I was freaking out the whole plane ride to my boyfriend. I was like, look at the colors, look what I did. I'm really excited. And it's just, oh, the colors are truly incredible. I could leave it as like a crop top right now, but I want a sweater. So this is where I'm at. I love it. I really don't know what to say. I'm learning so much about knitting, and it's making me so happy because it feels so good to learn something as an adult. I don't know, I feel like at a certain point after school, especially as like with my job, all I do is crochet and do music. I feel like I reach like plateaus with learning and knowledge and stuff, but I'm just feeling like I'm using my brain again, and it feels good just doing something new that I've never done before. Or I guess I have done this, but I've never made a sweater. The last time I really knitted was in high school, like maybe 9 years ago or something. So this is crazy. This is crazy. I'm so excited. If you can't tell. Yeah, that's all. Also, if I could give any advice to a new knitter, it's to learn what the stitches look like, because it gets too confusing when you have to be like, oh, I'm increasing this round and I'm not increasing on this round. Like, just know what an increase looks like, know what a knit looks like, know what a purl looks like. And that's the same for crocheting, like just getting used to the look of what each stitch looks like, really. Because in the beginning I was like, fuck, is this a purl or is this a knit? And then I figured it out. It's easier when you have a bunch of stitches in there, but like in the beginning I was like, I don't know which one it is in like the first row or two, you know? And then you get it down. With the increases, I think I messed up on like maybe 1 or 2 rows, but let me turn this around. I did pretty well for my first time increasing ever. But just knowing what it looks like when you increase the last round or didn't increase the last round. So that's my best advice to a new knitter. Alright kids, here's an update. I just posted this with the new neckline. I really like it. I think it makes sense for like to wear jewelry with it, because I feel like you couldn't really do that with the high neck. And just more options, and that's the whole point of my business, is to give people patterns to make their own clothes and ways to modify them. So here's a modification. But this is the sweater right now. I'm way more excited about this. No offense, Spiderweb, but knitting! I'm knitting a fucking sweater. So this is how far I am, except my my round needles. Sorry, my brain isn't functioning today, so this is gonna be a chaotic part, but I won't make it too long. My circular needles are too long, so I have to like do the magic circle or whatever people call it. There's a magic circle in crochet and knitting, so you just pull it out here and then you work when it's close together, and then when you get to the end you have to pull it out again. I like how it's looking. I just need motivation to like sit down and just like bang it out, because this should only take me like, it's pretty thick yarn, it should only take me maybe like an hour to finish this, and then like 3 or 4 to do the arm. So I could do it today if I just sit down and go. I'm gonna time lapse me finishing this sweater, because when I time lapse I don't go on my phone and then I work more. So I'm gonna listen to Harry Potter, maybe cry a little, and then finish the sweater all today. Do you wanna see what I've been eating for the past like 5 days? Fucking donuts. That's why my brain is fried, because it doesn't have any nutrients. Don't mind if I do. We're gonna do strawberry, because that's a fruit. Look how beautiful. It's a croissant donut, 100 layers. Bye. Yes, it is the same day. I just changed my outfit. Sorry, I'm being really sassy today. Donut overload. It is 3 hours later, and I maybe got, actually I got a good amount of rows for the amount of time I was actually working. I probably got that far. I mean, it was an hour, and then I wasted 2 hours. Because that's how it goes most of the time. And that's why I only post about once a month. A sweater was a bad idea. I'm just a little girl. I can't make a whole sweater on my own. How come the body was so much faster than the arms? Alright, so I think the sleeve might be ready for the ribbed section. No, I want it to be like a chunky sleeve because it's like kind of short, like my belly button's right there. Wow, poking your belly button feels so weird. I think I'll probably just finish the sleeve tonight, go to bed, and then try to just like bang out the other sleeve tomorrow. Oh, that's a sweater sleeve if I've ever seen one. Okay, time for bed. Tomorrow, I probably won't finish it. My goal is to finish it by Monday. How about that? But I would like to get at least this far tomorrow. And I'll go as far as I can, but we give ourselves small goals so we can reach them. This is what it's looking like in the daylight. I am so in love. Like I said last night, my goal is to finish it by Monday, and it's Friday today. It's about 11:30, so let's just see what I can get done today. Anyways, I love it. I'm so happy. Alright, this is where I got with this sleeve. So I'm very close to the end. I have about like that much to go. Oh my god, I'm really close. But I have to get ready to go to art night with my friends where we'll just finish this probably. And then we're gonna go out after, but hopefully I finish it there and it'll be done. I finished it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's tuck that in. Stop it. Bro, this is a sweater. It's a sweater that I made. And it's so cozy, and I can go like this, and I can also go like this, and it looks good. Golly, I'm just so happy. I took these two things, and I made this. Well, I would say that this was a success. I still have so much yarn left. So I'm thinking of making a skirt, but I'm going to finish this guy first. All right, so I think I'm gonna rate this. I want it to be a 10 out of 10, but I don't think it is, because there's tiny, tiny little things. Like, I don't love the turtleneck. That's such a cute name. Like, I want it to be like that, but I think that I started the sleeves too, or like, whatever, yeah, I guess started the sleeves too soon, so it like kind of pulls it down and does that, but it's fine. I also think I could have done this a little bit tighter. Like, you can see the difference between the tension on this and the tension on that. Same with down here. I think I could have decreased the way I did with the sleeve for this to make it like come in. But, you know, all in all, first sweater ever knitted. That's crazy. I think it's wonderful. So, no complaints. So I'm gonna go like 9.9, only since it's my first sweater. But for the next one, is she gonna do another? I think I'll probably do this exact same thing because I really like the fit of it, except I'll fix this and this. Let's go. Okay. On to this. Bye. Hi. So it's been a bit. I am sick right now, so I kind of like stopped recording stuff, but I finished the Spiderweb dress, so I'm going to show you, but first I want to show you this. My butternut squash soup. Doesn't it look beautiful? Look at her. She's beautiful. Alright, I'm not going to try it on right now because I just don't feel like it, and also, that's all. I just don't feel like it. But here it is. I'll do a final video of this at some point soon. But yeah, this is my Spiderweb dress. I have a pattern and video for it, and it's available on my website. You can grab that. It comes in a dress and a shirt, and then you can also make it like the tank top. There's lots of ways to modify it. Okay, goodbye. Hello, so I waited until the day I'm posting the video to record this try on, and it is like November 4th, and it's freezing in my sunroom, so I'm gonna make this quick. I love the dress. It's my classic Spiderweb dress. Like I said, you can get this pattern on my website or on Etsy. It comes with a tutorial video. But yeah, here it is. I think I'm gonna rate this one 7 out of 10, mainly because the sleeves are different lengths. I fricked up there. I just started the increase too early on this side. I don't know how I didn't notice that. I was definitely rushing through this. But whatever. Just imagine if both sleeves were like that. It would look really good. It's also a 7 because I really did like this yarn. I liked the colors and the way it felt, and I loved working with it, except I didn't like that I had to like manipulate it to get the gradient that I wanted. But that's this project's problem, not the yarn's problem. But other than that, I think it came out really good. I like the new neckline. But yeah, that's all I have to say. It's getting really cold. Thank you for watching. If you didn't see part 1, you should go watch that. I make a really cute square spiral sweater that I have a tutorial on my YouTube for. But yeah, thank you so much. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, all that silly stuff. Yeah, love you all, bye.